Hello and welcome to the SDT Private Network. This is our Swift Man Token Private Network. My name is KR and I am your network administrator. Super excited to be here to introduce to you the Swift Demand Token and how it can change your life. There's a lot of people right now that have Swift Demand and they're trying to figure out how to bring Swift Demand off of the platform and actually use it to, pay bills, take care of things that they need financially. I'm going to show you how we're doing it over here in our network. We're working together to create wealth. So once again, I want to welcome you to the Swift Demand Token Private Network. Who we are. SDT Private Network is a private community of cryptocurrency enthusiasts who are creating generational wealth using digital assets. That is who we are, and we are having a great time doing it. What we do, simply put, the SDT Private Network is on a mission to create a community comprised of cryptocurrency millionaires. And if you're here, I hope that is what you're here for, to become a cryptocurrency millionaire, because it is amazing. How are we creating millionaires? The SDT Private Network provides each of our members with the necessary education and tools needed to trade our digital asset within our private peer-to-peer community. One thing I like about that statement is that we are a peer-to-peer community. We are not on any exchange. I want to be clear about that. We are not sitting on any exchange. We're trading peer-to-peer, working among ourselves. I love it. Right. Who can join us? SDT Private Network memberships are comprised of men and women 18 years or older. If a person desires to create wealth within our private community using our digital assets, they are more than welcome to join us. So right now, I'm inviting you to join us so that we can teach you how to change your financial situation with Swift Demand. The digital asset we are trading, which is the Swift Demand token, within this private network. The memberships are trading this token because it has proven to be one of the greatest ways to create wealth. The SDT token is a private community token whose creator has given members the opportunity to build sub-communities just like we've done, right? And in these communities, we are trading our token at our price and helping people to create financial freedom. I love it, guys. This thing is amazing. The amenities of Swift Demand token. Now, this is most important, and you really need to pay attention to this part. SDT tokens come with many great benefits, and they are as follows. When you register, you receive 100 tokens. Upon your first qualifying trade with your sponsor, you're going to receive another 100 tokens. The daily bonus is 100 tokens. You receive this every 12 to 24 hours. The referral bonus, every time you bring someone in and introduce them to this great community, you'll receive 500 tokens. The trade value, what we're doing is we're trading SDT tokens at $1 per token based upon us working with Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin Cash. Tradable assets, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Ethereum, and USD. We're trading this coin, guys, and creating wealth. This thing is amazing. CGN trading platform. The SDT Private Network members are also members of CryptoNet Global Network, CGN. CGN trading platform is the true source of power behind our community. CGN trading platform is an all-in-one system. It provides each member with a personalized back office, login password, membership and trade tracking, and the powerful Bitcoin Training Academy. That Bitcoin Training Academy is top notch. It teaches you Bitcoin. You can ask your questions in there. You can get all the answers that you need right there working in the Bitcoin Training Academy. And the thing is powerful. And I tell you it's powerful. I am not joking with you, because we are able to teach Bitcoin at a high level, guys. There's a lot of people want to learn how to use Bitcoin and what to do with it, but we take you back to the beginning and take you to the basics in the Bitcoin Training Academy and teach you exactly what Bitcoin is, who created Bitcoin, the first thing purchased with Bitcoin. So when you become a member of the CryptoNet Global Network, you're going to get access to this powerful training academy, as well as your own back office where you can track your members and your trading. So we want to, hey, this thing is amazing. I want you guys to dive in here and just really get a feel for what it is that we are doing. Now let's move on. The one-time registration fee. We all know starting a business always requires some type of initial upfront cost. The cost of an SDT Private Network membership is only a one-time pledge of $125. The $125 covers the following platform fee, $25, qualifying sponsor trade of $100. I'm going to say that again. The $125 investment covers the following: the platform fee, $25. That's where you get your back office, your membership tracking, and the powerful Bitcoin Training Academy. Then everybody's required to do one qualifying sponsor trade. That means you're going to send your sponsor $100 in Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, whichever one they have set up in their back office. That's what you're going to send them. In return, they're going to send you $100 in Swift Demand token. You have just done your first trade with Swift Demand. You traded Bitcoin for your Swift Demand, right? You received Swift. But now you qualify to receive Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash or payments to you when you bring in new members because now you're a sponsor. This thing is amazing, guys. How to join us? Joining us is super simple. Becoming an STT Private Network member is quite simple and takes about 15 minutes. You're going to set up a Swift Demand token account. The next thing you're going to do is set up a CGN account for the $25. Step number 3 will be conduct your sponsor qualifying trade for $100 in Bitcoin, and they're going to send you $100 in Swift Demand and 100 tokens. You're going to invite in great people. That's step 4. Step 4 is very important. Invite great people just like yourself to join us. When you invite these people in, these people will also follow the steps, setting up their Swift Demand account, getting everything in place so they can start trading. And that's it, guys. There's nothing hard about it. These 4 steps right here really will get a person making money today. All you got to do, like I say, step 1, set up a Swift Demand account. Step number 2, go over here and join the CGN private network, $25, get your platform. Step number 3, conduct that very important qualifying trade. That is how the money is made, guys, through the qualifying trade. Because if you notice, you're sending your sponsor 100 in Bitcoin, they're sending you 100 in Swift Demand. When you become a sponsor, people will be sending you that initial $100 in Bitcoin, right? And you're going to be sending them the 100 in Swift. And that's it, guys. Step number 4, you want to invite in great people just like yourself. We don't want people coming in that's just going to sit here and just do nothing. You know what I'm saying? We want people that's going to come in and work. Now, if you're already a member of Swift Demand, you already have the token, that means you're going to follow these same steps minus step number 1 because you already have your Swift Demand account. So you want to start at step number 2, which is setting up your CGN account for 25, conducting your sponsor qualified trade of 100, and inviting in great people just like yourself. So remember, if you already have a Swift account, skip step number 1 here. You don't have to set up another one and just use the one that you have and then move on to step 2 where you're going to start setting up CGN and bringing in great people. All right, that's amazing. Now, let's take a look at our trades. Okay, STT Private Network trade income. We want you guys to really check out this comp plan because it's mind-blowing. So what we have is 10 levels of trade, right? We have our first level where you come in for the 100. Remember, you're going to come in for 100, sending your sponsor 100 Bitcoin. They're going to send you 100 in Swift. But what's going to happen is once you bring in some good people just like yourself, you start upgrading the higher trade levels, right? Never turning off the lower level. You're still going to have that running, but you're going to be able to trade at higher levels with the people that you've already brought in. So we have level 1 at 100, level 2 at 200, level 3 at 4, level 4 at 800, level 5 at 1600, level 6 at 3200, level 7 at 6400, level 8 at 12,800, level 9 at 25,006, and our powerful level 10 at 51.2. All of these levels are achieved through profit, guys. Nothing out of your pocket, because once you bring in your first person to do that qualifying trade, you're going to bring in that person and cover your expense. You got your money right back. So now everything else that you do is being done from pure profit. Over here it says earn on all level, upgrade from profits, and that is what we're doing. Let's look at the compensation plan. Now, the comp plan is super simple. It doesn't require a lot of people to get to where it is you're trying to go. I'm going to show you something, and we're going to use just 5 people for demonstration purposes only and illustration purposes. Now, let's look at what we have. We have our trade levels. These are the levels 1 through 10 that I just introduced to you. The trade amount, these are the amounts that I introduced to you. And these are the partners. We're going to say 5 team partners. Now, you notice straight through here, it only says 5. That's it. We're looking at 5. Over here, we have our trade income that tell you what that is based off of. Multiply times the 5 people times the 100. That's this section here that gives you those amounts. Now we're going to look at our trade level upgrades. We know we have to upgrade into the higher levels, and these are those amounts. But this is your most important section over here, which is your keepable money, your spendable Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, whichever one you're accepting. This is your spendable money. Now let's get started moving from the left to the right. First of all, let's say you're already in, you've paid your 125, and now you start bringing in your people, and we're looking at you bringing in 5. Just bring in 5 people that want to get this amazing money, right? So what happens is when those 5 people come in, they're going to send you $100 in Bitcoin. That's going to give you $500. From the 500, upgrade to the next trade level, which is 2 for $200, and bank 300. You already have 300 spendable dollars, guys, from just bringing in 5 people, man, and paying 125. Imagine that, guys. You really didn't do anything. You're already in profit, okay? Now, when your team members duplicate your efforts going into level number 2 at $200, when you multiply that time, that level, those 5 people, that gives you $1,000. From the 1,000, upgrade for 4, bank 600. When they following you, doing just like you just did, upgrading for 4 times those 5 people, that's $2,000 in. 800 is going to go to your next trade level, which is 4, for a total of 1,200 going into your bank account. When they duplicate your effort, because duplication is the key, upgrading at $800 time those great 5 people, that's $4,000. From the 4,000, upgrading to your next trade level, which is 5 for 1,600, banking $2,400. When your team members, your traders, upgrade into the $1,600 level 5 level, that's going to be another $8,000 coming in. 3,200 will go into level number 6. 4,800 goes into your bank account, your wallet, your Bitcoin wallet. Imagine that, guys, from a 125 investment, and you're getting free coin every day. It's amazing, right? So when they upgrade into the 3,200, just like you at level 6, that's going to give you a total of $16,000. From the 16, upgrade for 30, what is it, 6,400? When you upgrade for that 6,400, that will leave you 9,600 in Bitcoin. Amazing. When your team members duplicate that effort, going into level number 7 at 6,400 times those great 5 people, that's 32,000. From the 32,000, you're going to send 12,800 to your sponsor to upgrade to level 8, and that's going to leave you 19,002. Wow. When your team members upgrade for 12,008, time those great 5 people, that is $64,000 in Bitcoin. You're going to upgrade for 25,600 of Bitcoin, leaving 38,400. When your team members duplicate going into level 9, we're wrapping it up now, guys. That's going to be $25,600 times those 5 people for a total of 128K. Boy, that is amazing. From the 128, you're going to upgrade it to your final level, which is 51,200. Banking off of level number 9, 76,800. When your team members head on into level 10, taking possession of their last platform, just like you, at 51.2, time those 5 people is $256,000. But if you notice here, nothing else comes out because you're already in control and own all 10 trade levels. That means that 256 is not touched. It moves directly over to your green, which is considered your spendable cash, spendable Bitcoin. Now, let's look at what we've done. Total 10 trade levels, we're just working with 5 people. Guys, it's $409,300. Wow. You've just earned $409,300 with only 5 trade partners on 10 levels of trade. What if you traded that with more people, though? What if you brought in 10 people? Let's go crazy with it. Let's say you brought in 10 people. That would be $818,000, guys. What if you brought in 20 trade partners, which you're going to eventually do anyway? So that means that's $1.6 million, guys, from a simple program, from a simple group of people trying to become cryptocurrency enthusiasts. This thing is amazing. How many people would invest 125 one time to earn hundreds of thousands of dollars? Unlimited, guys. It's an unlimited amount. So do not short yourself by thinking that you don't have anybody to get. Oh, yeah. People would love to get in here. They would love to pay that $125 to set up a most powerful trading platform and to trade with you and start creating wealth. So right now, guys, I want to welcome you. I want to welcome you in advance because I already know you're coming. You know where money is and you want to definitely make it. I want to welcome you in advance to the SDT private network. Swift Demand Token is a powerful, powerful token. And if you know how to use these tokens, you can create wealth. Understand, we operate within a private community. That means that our token is not on any exchange. We trade our token within our own private community. And the trade is wide open. Let's just say, for instance, somebody have a car for sale and they say they'll accept Swift Demand token for the car. That's up to you and him whether you want to do that or not, because we're operating within our own private community. So once again, I want to welcome you guys to the SCT Private Network. It's your man KR, the network administrator, and I look forward to working with you on the inside. Have a great day. Take care.